Earth, our home, thrives on the balance of nature. Afforestation, the practice of planting trees where there were none before, is vital for restoring this balance. Imagine vast barren lands transforming into lush forests, teeming with life. That is the power of afforestation. It's about healing the planet piece by piece. It's about securing a greener future for generations to come. Afforestation goes beyond simply planting trees. It's about creating entire ecosystems. These ecosystems provide habitats for countless species, enriching biodiversity. A single tree can be a world in itself, offering food and shelter. Imagine the impact of an entire forest. It's a promise of a healthier, more vibrant planet. The benefits of afforestation extend far beyond the wilderness, directly impacting our lives. Trees are nature's guardians, protecting our well-being in numerous ways. They provide us with the very air we breathe, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing life-giving oxygen. Imagine a world with cleaner air, where it's easier to breathe. That's a future afforestation can help create. Trees are also essential for regulating our climate. They act as natural air conditioners, cooling the surrounding environment. In an era of rising temperatures, afforestation provides a sustainable solution. It helps combat the urban heat island effect, making our cities more livable. Planting trees is an investment in our health, ensuring a more comfortable future. A forest is more than just a collection of trees. It's a complex web of life, interconnected and interdependent. Afforestation plays a crucial role in restoring this ecological harmony. When we plant trees, we create habitats for a diverse range of species. Birds find shelter in their branches, insects thrive in the undergrowth, and small animals make their homes among the roots. This biodiversity is essential for a healthy ecosystem. It ensures natural pest control, pollination of crops, and the decomposition of organic matter. A thriving forest is a sign of a healthy planet. It signifies that nature is in balance and life in all its forms can flourish. Section 4. Breathing easy, afforestation's impact on the atmosphere. The air we breathe is a precious resource, and trees are its guardians. They act as natural filters, absorbing harmful pollutants and releasing clean oxygen. Afforestation plays a critical role in mitigating climate change. Trees absorb carbon dioxide, a major greenhouse gas, from the atmosphere. This process helps regulate the Earth's temperature and combat the effects of global warming. By planting more trees, we can create carbon sinks, effectively storing carbon dioxide and reducing its concentration in the atmosphere. This is a vital step towards a more sustainable future, ensuring a healthy planet for generations to come. The air we breathe, the climate we depend on, are all influenced by the presence of trees. Section 5. A Seed of Hope. The multifaceted benefits of planting trees. The act of planting a tree is a simple one, yet it carries profound significance. It's a testament to our responsibility towards the planet and a symbol of hope for the future. The benefits of afforestation are multifaceted and far-reaching. Trees provide us with timber, fuel, and other valuable resources, supporting local economies and livelihoods. Afforestation also helps prevent soil erosion, protecting our land and water resources. Trees act as natural windbreaks, reducing the impact of storms and protecting crops. They enhance the aesthetic beauty of our surroundings, creating serene and tranquil spaces. Planting a tree is an act of hope, a legacy for future generations. Section 6. Silent Suffering, the Perils of Deforestation. While afforestation offers a beacon of hope, the continued destruction of our forests paints a grim picture. Deforestation, the clearing of forests for various purposes, has devastating consequences for our planet. When trees are felled, the delicate balance of nature is disrupted. The loss of habitat leads to a decline in biodiversity, pushing countless species towards extinction. Deforestation exacerbates climate change, releasing stored carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere. It increases soil erosion, leading to desertification and loss of fertile land. The consequences are far-reaching, impacting everything from our weather patterns to our food security. We must remember that the destruction of forests is not just an environmental issue, it's a human issue. Section 7. A Call to Action, Nurturing Our Planet's Green Lungs. The fate of our planet lies in our hands. The time for action is now. We must all embrace the responsibility of protecting and restoring our forests. Afforestation is not just a task for governments or organizations, it's a call to action for each one of us. Every tree planted is a step towards a healthier, more sustainable future. We can all contribute by supporting afforestation initiatives, planting trees in our communities, and advocating for responsible forest management. Let us remember that we are part of nature, not apart from it. Our well-being is intricately linked to the health of our planet. Let us pledge to be guardians of the earth, nurturing its green lungs and ensuring a vibrant future for generations to come.